Finding shippers is the most crucial skill you will need to master as a freight broker. But let me ask you this. What if I told you that you could land customers such as US Mail, BMW, and even multi-million-dollar manufacturers without complicating things? Sounds impossible? It is not, and in this video I'm gonna walk you step by step how to find shippers and grow your freight brokerage business. Hi, my name is Lida. I have been a tracker, dispatcher, fleet manager, and I have the privilege of working with industry giants like BMW, US Mail, and multi-million-dollar manufacturers. If you want to learn how to find shippers and build a profitable freight brokerage, you are in the right place. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around because I'm breaking it all down step by step for you. First thing first, before you start reaching out to shippers, you need to understand your niche. So choose your niche. The freight market is huge and not every type of freight is the right fit for you. Ask yourself, what type of freight do you want to move? Is it dry-van? Is it refrigerated? Is it flatbed? Are you focusing on specific industries like automotive, medical, and construction materials? Knowing your niche helps you target the right shippers and position you as a specialist. Step number 2, research potential shippers. Once you know your niche, it is time to dive into finding shippers. There are so many tools and resources to find opportunities, and I will walk you through some of the best ones that I have found success. Of course, first one is Google. Simple but effective. Search for manufacturers, distributors, or suppliers in your niche and start building a list. Next one, thomasnet.com. This is a fantastic directory to find companies by industry, product, or location. Perfect for narrowing down shippers who need your services. Also, the good part is they are all US manufacturers. Next, of course, is LinkedIn, a goldmine for connecting with decision makers like logistics managers, supply chain managers, traffic managers. Personalize your connection requests and build relationships. Next one, CRM and data tools. Tools like Apollo, ZoomInfo, Shipper CRM are all excellent for finding contact information and company. These platforms save you time and give you direct access to potential shippers, their phone number, email. Of course, another one is Shipper Directory. There are directories specifically designed for people in logistics and you can find all the information you need. Next, of course, Chamber of Commerce. Your local Chamber of Commerce often has a list of businesses in your area which can be great for finding nearby shippers. Next one is your backyard. Don't underestimate the power of visiting local businesses. Show up, introduce yourself, and leave a business card. Sometimes the face-to-face visitation are the best ways to find and the fastest ways to find customers. Next one, referrals. If you already work with a shipper or carrier, ask them if they know others who might need your services. A good word from someone they trust can open doors. Next one is proof of delivery. If you are a carrier, you have lots of proof of deliveries and you can get information about shipper and receiver. Just make sure if you book that load through freight broker and shipper is his customer, don't contact the shipper but contact the receiver so you don't get into trouble. So next one, of course, everyday observations. Next time you are at the grocery store, look closely at the labels on products. They often list the distributor or manufacturer. These are potential shippers. These methods, combined with persistence and consistency, will help you build a solid pipeline of shippers to grow your business. And remember, every small lead has the potential to turn into a big opportunity. So now let's talk about step number 3, which is build your target list. After researching and creating a target list, here is how I organize it. You have to have the company name, key contact, whether it is shipping manager or traffic manager, what industry, freight type, contact method, email, phone, LinkedIn, or multi-channel. So pro tip, start with at least 100 shippers and then You can grow up to 200, 250, and remember that consistency is key. Step 4 is, of course, craft your pitch. When you're reaching out to the shipper, your pitch matters. Remember, you are not just selling freight services, you're offering solution. Here is one of the scripts that you can use. Of course, you can make it more personalized, do some research, but here is a script I have used and you can also use it, making it more personalized. Hi, my name is Lida. I'm with Freight Tech. I work companies such as US Steel and BMW, and I noticed your company ships from Chicago, Illinois to Florida, and I wanted to discuss how I can improve your shipping processes and reduce potentially the cost of transportation. Can we set up a quick call? Keep it short, to the point, and of course designed to their needs. So step number 5, follow up. Here is the truth. Most shippers won't respond to your first email or call. That's why follow-ups is critical. You have to also send them emails every week. I would suggest make phone calls. Don't hesitate to call again. Sometimes persistency pays off. Messaging, if they are active on LinkedIn, engage with their posts or send them direct messages. Step number 6, build relationships, not transactions. Once you land a shipper, focus on building a relationship. Shippers are more likely to give you consistent business if they trust you. Be proactive in communicating updates. Solve problems quickly if they arise, and always stay in touch. Check in regularly to see how you can help them in the future or if they have any additional lanes that you can work on. This is what separates good brokers from great ones. Relationships are the foundation of long-term success. So, finding shippers as a freight broker isn't easy, but with the right approach, it is absolutely achievable. Focus on your niche, do your research, craft a strong pitch, and follow up consistently. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, be sure to check out Freight Freedom, your one-step resources for everything you need to grow as a freight broker. From tools and strategies to community support, it is all there to help you succeed. And of course, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to build your freight brokering business. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!